Good afternoon. Today topic is business environment. The first topic was business, and business cannot be run alone. There is a need of environment. And what is environment? Surroundings. The surroundings in which we are living, that is known as environments. And these two, when joined together, known as business environments. So let's study the meaning. This is sum total of all individual, institutions and others forces. These are the forces which may directly or indirectly affect to the business and that are outside. These are outside the control of the business. That's why it's very risky. There is a need to study the business environment because these are out of control but may affect its performance, and they are out of control and affect to the business. And that's why there is need to the manager to study the business environment regularly. What is the main features or key points for the business environment? First, totality of all external factors. In business environment, we will not study our internal factors like the management, policies, plans. These are in hands of the managers, these are in hands of the owner. They can be modified anytime, but external factors like economic factors, social factors, political and legal factors, these are main challenge to the manager and these are out of control. Second feature, general and specific factors. In first point we have studied sum total of external factors which include the general and specific factor. What is the general factor? General factor affect to all in same manner, like government policies, political, legal, all these environment comes under the general factor. Now specific. What is specific factor? It is affect to one directly, like the relationship between the businessman and the customers. They directly affect. If businessman is very polite, they are giving better facilities, the more customers will come to them. And there is another businessman who is very rude to the customers will not come to him or her. This is specific factors. So interrelated. Third feature is interrelated. All these factors are interrelated to each other. Means one factor may affect to the other one. We can take the example. Increase in income. If some person income is increasing, what will be the effect? The standard of living will also be increase. Increase in income is economic factor. And increasing standard of living, that is social factor. So there is increase in one factor will affect to the other factor also. So all factors may connect to each others. We have to study it very carefully. Now fourth point is dynamic. Business environment is going to be changed very fast due to techniques, political affairs, the environmental business conditions, economic conditions, customers, likings also. So businessmen should be aware about all the factors which may be changed, because all this environment will be changed according to the situation. Uncertain, what will be happening in the market? We cannot make it a plan, we cannot make it, or we cannot predict it, like lockdown is there. We had never dreamed that this type of situation may occur in our life also. Now everything is blocked, the factories are locked, workers are doing work at their homes, we are not going outside the market. So these situations may come any times. We cannot predict the futures. So whatever may happen in the future, this is unpredictable. So that's why we are saying we should be aware about the environment. Now sixth is complexity. It's very complicated to understand the business environment because there are mixture of many factors. Which factor will affect to another one and how much, which level? We are not able to understand all these things. So that's why we should conclude all the factors at a time, and then we can say that business environment is very complicated, it's very complicated, it's very complex, and we have to understand it very carefully. Thank you.